Hey there, it's Des with T-Mobile. Our friends at Samsung just announced the brand new Samsung Galaxy S22, S22 Plus, and the S22 Ultra. We're going inside the box and checking out all the cool features. Let's get into it. So first off, we should show you all three models. The Galaxy S22 family includes the S22, S22 Plus, and S22 Ultra. And yes, the Ultra has some special sauce you may be familiar with, but more on that in just a minute. Let's take a quick tour of the S22 and S22 Plus. These two share many of the same specs, including processor, cameras, and screen technology. And there are 4 color options for the 22 and 22 Plus. They come in Phantom Black, Phantom White, Green, and Pink Gold. And for the S22 Ultra, it has a slightly different design that's a beautiful blend of Galaxy Ultra and Note models of the recent past. Check it out. The S22 Ultra comes in Burgundy, Phantom Black, Phantom White, and Green. And all of the new Galaxy S22 models take advantage of T-Mobile's nationwide 5G network, including 5G Ultra capacity. Neville's even asked us to run a speed test. Check out the highlights.
While you're down there, do a speed test for me so we can see how this thing is going to perform on our network. It's going to be great. Exciting day. Have fun down there.
Now, Galaxies are known for their excellent cameras. The new Galaxy S22 and S22 Plus feature 50 megapixel main cameras, and the S22 Ultra takes it to the next level with a 108 megapixel main camera. All three models capture beautiful photos and crisp video. We've got some samples to share with you right here that have been shot from our team while using Galaxy S22 smartphones. And to view all of your photos and your favorite video content, you've got arguably the best screens ever on a smartphone. Check out Emily in Paris from Netflix. It looks just beautiful on the screen. Pro tip, Netflix on Us is one of my favorite T-Mobile benefits. And the specs are just as impressive. The S22 features a 6.1-inch Full HD display. The S22 Plus features an even larger 6.6-inch Full HD Plus display, and the Ultra features a 6.8-inch WQHD Plus display. Wow! Now the S22 Ultra not only has a larger screen, but there's a little something extra in here. Inside the S22 Ultra is an embedded S Pen, and let me tell you, it's the most responsive, enhanced writing experience with an S Pen yet. With an Ultra, you can unleash your creativity and productivity like never before. You'll be able to edit photos and videos with accuracy, take notes, and so much more. All right, time to get into the specs and details of the new Galaxy smartphones. They all come with big batteries. 3,700 milliamp hour battery on the S22, 4,500 milliamp hour battery on the S22 Plus, and the Ultra has a 5,000 milliamp hour battery. 25-watt super fast charging is available across the entire lineup, and they either have 8 or 12 gigs of RAM and great storage options across all models. Now to wrap up, let's not forget the unboxing. Inside the box, you've got the new Samsung Galaxy S22 device, a quick start guide, SIM pin tool, and a USB-C charging cable right inside here. There you have them, the new Galaxy S22 family of smartphones from Samsung, now available at T-Mobile, America's largest and fastest 5G network. Personally, I think it's the best network for you to rock your new Samsung Galaxy S22.